Want to know how to build a gaming PC that can handle not just today's games, but everything the next few years throw at it? Then stick around until the end. We're showing you the perfect mix of power, efficiency, and style. This card is an absolute beast for 4K gaming. Thanks to the new Blackwell architecture and ultra-fast GDDR7 memory, it delivers breathtaking performance, whether you're using ray tracing, chasing high frame rates, whether you're using ray tracing, chasing high frame rates, or playing at ultra-high resolutions. What really makes it special? The WindForce cooling system with 3 fans runs quietly, stays cool, and even shuts off completely at low loads. That's perfect for anyone who wants a silent system. Compared to the Founders Edition, it stands out with better cooling and quieter operation. The only downside is its size. It's big and needs space, so make sure your case can handle it. The RTX 5080 clearly beats the RTX 4090 in power efficiency and noise levels. And the best part, be sure to check the links in the description for the best deals. Right now, this processor is about as good as it gets for gaming and multitasking. The 3D V-Cache technology delivers fantastic performance in games, especially in CPU-heavy titles like Starfield or Flight Simulator. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or editing videos, this chip can handle it all at the same time. If you're serious about gaming and productivity, it's hard to beat the 7950X3D. If you like setups like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We regularly share fresh builds and tech tips, and if you're enjoying the video, drop us a like. With this motherboard, you're fully set for the future. It supports PCIe 5.0 for ultra-fast SSDs and GPUs, offers high-speed DDR5 support, and even comes with built-in Wi-Fi 7. It's also a visual highlight with its AORUS design and massive cooling structure. Perfect for high-end builds like this one. RAM is your PC's short-term memory. The faster and larger it is, the better for games and multitasking. We're using 32 gigs of DDR5 at 6000 MHz here, a strong combination for maximum gaming performance. And with stylish RGB lighting, this memory doesn't just bring speed, it also adds great atmosphere inside the case. This SSD offers not only huge storage space but also incredible speed. With over 7 gigs per second read speed, your system boots in seconds and games load almost instantly. Perfect for large game libraries, content creation, and ultra-fast load times. To keep the Ryzen 9 7950X3D cool even under full load, we're using a powerful 360mm liquid cooler. The combination of efficient heat dissipation and stylish ARGB lighting makes it the perfect match for a high-end build. With 750 watts, we have more than enough power for the entire system, including the RTX 5080. Thanks to the 80+ Gold certification, this power supply is not only efficient, but also quiet and reliable. This case isn't just practical, it's a real design statement. The mix of wood, glass, and dark steel looks premium, and it offers plenty of space for a massive graphics card and liquid cooling setup. That was our high-end build with the new RTX 5080. Powerful, efficient, and a real visual standout. If you like this setup, be sure to check the video description for all the product links. Don't forget to leave a like, comment what you would change, and subscribe to the channel for more builds like this. See you in the next video.